I don't use this on my kids because I wasn't able to verify everything that was on it on the Yuka app. But on my hair, it did the thing. And as you can see, I pretty much used it all up. Edge controls. Okay. So when it comes to my children, I do use edge control sometimes. They kind of like the look of what edge control does to the hair. They see everyone rocking their hair this way. So I love the Yuka app to check the ingredients of products and food and skincare products, just to see what additives, what chemicals are in the products, and to make an informed decision about whether or not I want to use those products. There is an ingredient called phenoxyethanol, which I found to be in many of the products that are on the shelves. And this ingredient is one that I'm a little bit confused about because it rates the products poorly on the Yuka app. Having that ingredient in the product rates it poorly on that app. But I have done some additional research and found that some chemists have said that it's okay because it is one of the most commonly used preservatives and mold inhibitors that is used in products, and that it's safe. The risks that were cited on the Yuka app were that it is a potential allergen, irritant, endocrine disruptor, and it is not good for the environment. So something that a friend recommended that I use is this neat braid. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Neat braid. And I just got it yesterday, and it is currently what you see on my head right now. I was using something before called Baskin Lather, and the Baskin Lather, even though it does not have the toxic ingredients in it, it was causing my hair to have a white cast. So I'm trying this. I will report back. It's currently on my hair now. So far, what I can tell is that it does have a good hold. It is not sticky. It's not really greasy. It's not really causing any white cast, and it is not flaking. It's only been on my hair for a few hours, but so far so good. And it doesn't have phenoxyethanol in it. It rated excellent on the Yuka app. So this is a product that I will probably use on my daughters because sometimes they want their baby hairs slicked down. I was using this before, which is something that I got off of that site that everyone is boycotting now. And it really, really works. If you don't care about toxic overload or whatever, the Black Panther Strong Edge Control works. I just wouldn't use this on children. I don't use this on my kids because I wasn't able to verify everything that was on it on the Yuka app. But on my hair, it did the thing. And as you can see, I pretty much used it all up. But yeah, we're trying to be more conscious, and we're trying to make sure that we're making good decisions for our health and for our bodies. Now, everything causes some sort of reaction in the bodies these days, so you just have to pick and choose your battles. I clearly did not pick and choose on that because I used it all. But I'm gonna try neat braid and see how that goes. If you all have any edge controls that you use, please drop them in the comments. Any edge controls that you have found that have clean ingredients and that work and don't have a white cast and give like a very slick down look, that you can use for braiding or also for a gel look, please pass that on, because I would love to know what the products are. And please like, subscribe, and share this video if it moved you. And yeah, till the next time, you all. Also, check out my newsletter. And this is the Ouchless Mama signing off. Bye-bye.